Hey, what's up everyone? Seth Miranda here for Adorama TV with a couple new things from Sennheiser. We've got the MKE 400 shotgun mic that's got a bit of a kit going on with it, so we'll talk about that in a little bit. But let's start off with the XS lavalier mic. So this is a USB-C omnidirectional lav mic with 2 meters of cable. So you can just clip it on, USB-C plug right in, boom, it's a discoverable USB-C microphone. So that means if you gotta hop on a quick call on Zoom, get into a meeting on Teams, get on Discord, whatever, any kind of video conferencing software that you need a mic to be discoverable in, it's got you covered with just plug and play application. It can even work on your smartphone or your tablet and any device like that, just so you have the ability to put in a microphone without a dongle adapter or anything. It's discoverable right from plugging into the USB-C port. We're looking at a frequency response of 70 to 18,000 hertz. You're looking at a mic that doesn't get any easier than that. You talk to the webcam that's on your MacBook or your laptop, or even mix it with a cam link to have a camera running, and this will be your microphone. The key thing here is that it's plug and play. You just go right into USB-C and it's there for you in whatever application you need to use it in. Now let's talk about the MKE 400. Like I said, this is a bit of a kit. Comes with a tripod for your phone, but it also has the clamp. So nice spring loaded, put your phone in there, mount the mic, plug it in through the port, and you're ready to go. But it's not like every other shotgun mic that we've seen out there. It actually has some settings and some functionality to it. It's not just the microphone, you plug it in and whatever you get, you actually have some settings to mess with on here. So some of the settings you have control over, you have gain control and low cut filter control in here. But one thing I think that's really rad is you have a headphone jack in here with a volume control on it as well. So you can actually grow with this. It's not just plug it in and vlog. If you want to put it onto your camera and go even further with it, it has that versatility and that ability to expand with you as a creator should you want to go that route. What we have here is a super cardioid shotgun mic that's battery powered and gives you a frequency response of 50 to 20,000 hertz. Along with the tripod with the ball head on it and the phone clamp, you also get a nice little windscreen for those heavy wind days that you don't want to hear the, you know? So you're listening to me right now on the onboard microphone on the Sony a7S III. We're gonna go switch over to the MKE 400 right now. And now this is what the shotgun mic sounds like on the a7S III from about 5 feet away. So this is kind of what a vlogging setup would be like if you were using this. This is the MKE 400 connected to my iPhone via lightning adapter, and I'm holding it pretty easily on this Manfrotto mini tripod with a ball head on it, which is super convenient. And yeah, this is what it sounds like. So you can be the judge of how you like it. Okay, so this is what it would be like if you're listening to the Sennheiser XS lavalier USB-C mic on like a web conference, right? You're on Zoom, you're on Microsoft Teams, whatever you use. A nice little flare action here, by the way. You're welcome. That's free of charge. This is my MacBook webcam, and you're actually watching a recording into OBS. So even OBS was able to see the USB-C mic as a discoverable mic input. And it's easy as that. I just went, boom, record, and I'm ready to go. And you'll be doing the same thing in whatever software you're using to just go to your audio input and select the Sennheiser XS Lav. All right, that's gonna do it for me. I wanna thank Sennheiser for sending over these microphones for me to try out. And you guys got to hear a couple examples from it. So let me know down below what you think about that. And let me know if this is something you've been looking for, some plug and play applications for web conferencing or some more vlogging or anything like that. But for now, don't forget to like, share this video around, hit subscribe, plus the bell to get notified more videos like this come out. And I will see you guys next time. Later. You have about 2 meters length of cable, and it's